If your spider plant's leaves are turning brown at the ends, it could be several reasons responsible for it. But we'll talk most common ones. First of all, make sure you're giving enough water to your plant and not letting it dry out for a long period of time. If the soil is too dry and the rhizomes lack adequate moisture, the leaf tips may dry out and become discolored. Consistently keeping the plant on the dry side can provoke this response. To accurately assess the plant's moisture levels, consider using a soil moisture meter if you're unsure about watering frequency. Usually I suggest to water spider plants when the top 30% of the soil is dry. But in winters, you should water less, like when 50% of the soil is dry. Also look for the symptoms like if you notice the leaves are getting slightly limp or it's not holding its actual shape and don't seem that rigid, you should water them. When watering, make sure your tap water is not containing excessive amount of chlorine or fluoride. These plants are sensitive to water quality. Mineral buildup in spider plant leaf tips can occur due to the presence of chlorine and fluoride in tap water. These minerals accumulate in the soil over time, disrupting nutrient absorption and leading to leaf discoloration and tip burn. You should use filtered or distilled water, rainwater, or to let tap water sit out for 24 hours to allow chlorine to evaporate before watering. This helps reduce the concentration of harmful chemicals and minerals, ensuring healthier growth for your spider plant. And lack of humidity can also cause brown edges in spider plants. Spider plants thrive in humid environments. Dry conditions can make the leaf tips brown, especially near radiators. During winter with indoor heating on high, low humidity may lead to this issue. To address it, relocate your spider plant to a more humid area like the bathroom or kitchen. Grouping plants together releases moisture. You can also use a humidity tray, a shallow dish with water and pebbles placed near the plant to increase the moisture without wetting the plant directly. For extra care in dry conditions, you can also occasionally mist your spider plant. If your plant is having brown tips with yellow leaves and drooping, leaves look limp and feel soft, and the soil in the pot is wet, you may be watering it too much. If it's too late, it will become very hard to save your plant from root rot. When plants sit in too much water, their roots can rot, causing brown tips on the spider plants. To fix it, remove the plant from its pot, trim any rotten roots, and repot in fresh soil. Prevent future problems by ensuring good drainage in the pot and emptying excess water from the tray after watering. Spider plants love bright light to thrive. Don't place them in low light. If you place them correctly, soil will also dry on time and your plant will function right. Avoid placing it in direct afternoon sunlight, especially in hot climates. And if the natural light is limited, you can use artificial grow lights for houseplants. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.